Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Wednesday, October 21st, 2020. Today, what you will need for your math assignment is your Chapter 2 number patterns packet. You will need crayons. You will need a pencil, and you will need your counting cubes or your counting cubes. Please pause the video and go get your supplies. Today we are talking about repeated addition with arrays, Chapter 2, Lesson 5. Please turn to page number 133 in your packet. I will circle it. It's 133. I will also write it bigger up on the top. 133. It has a graph. It says repeated addition with arrays on top. There are some bugs and stuff too. Explore and explain. We will do that first. Jamar and 3 of his friends each collected two rocks. How many rocks do they have in all? So what we know is that Jamar and 3 of his friends each collected 2 rocks. So if it's Jamar, we have Jamar and then 1, 2, 3 more friends. So altogether there are 4 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's important to remember to count Jamar and his friends when you solve this. And then how many rocks do they have in all? Okay, so each of his friends collected 2 rocks. So here's 1. Jamar collected 2. Miko collected 2. Kyle collected 2. And Laurel collected 2. So if they each collected 2, we have, this is an array, we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals, we can count by skip counting too, 2, 4, 6, 8 equals 8 rocks. You have made an array, a 4 by 2 array. We'll explore more of that on the next page. So, move your cubes, turn the page to 134. All you did was turn the page. 134, and I'll make this big for you too. Okay. An array. In an array, objects are shown in rows and columns. These are rows, these are columns. Think of a row like your row of class desks, or you can think of rows as when you write, it's kind of a row because it's going horizontal. A column goes up and down. So we are doing 3 rows of 4. Here's 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, and each row has 4. So 4 plus 4 more plus 4 more equals 12. So this is showing with pictures, and this is showing the array, a graph. Okay, down here, describe each array using a number sentence. So remember, rows are horizontal. There's 1, 2, 3, plus 1, 2, 3, plus 1, 2, 3. So how many rows do we have? We have 1, 2, 3 rows of 1, 2, 3 equal turtles. Equal, so 3, 6, 9. You can skip count. Now this one, remember rows are horizontal, so here's 1 row and here's another row. So how many rows do we have? 1, 2. Okay, we have 2 rows. How many is in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 plus 4 equals 8. So we have 2 rows of 4. 2 rows, 1, 2 of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shade the grid to show 4 rows of 2. Write a number sentence to describe it. So 4 rows. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're adding 2. 1, 2. So it would be, I'm going to use my crayon then. Okay, so here's 1 row of 2. So that's 2. plus another row. Okay, that's 2 more plus 2, and another row plus 2, and one last row would be plus 2 equals, we can skip count to add, 2, 4, 6, 8 equals 8. So 4 rows of 2 equals 8. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4 rows of 2. So it's 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Remember, the easiest way to remember it is a row is horizontal, like you're laying down in your bed. A column is vertical, like you're standing up and down. Okay, so now, and we'll keep talking about that. On your own, you will complete pages 135 and 136. Another problem solving, remember, underline what you know, circle what you don't know. And you can use your, I know these are kind of big, but you can maybe do it to the side. You can use your linking cubes to help you. Or if you have smaller counters, like I have these smaller counters, they're like this. You can use like beans or anything small that'll fit in here to help you if you need to. So you will turn in page number 135, 136 in Seesaw. So have fun with this. This is kind of fun. Repeated addition is leading up to things like multiplication. So have a good time, and I'll see you later today.